Hey fam, Grace's diary here. It's been a long time, but I am finally here. A lot has been going on lately, but I am here with a second episode of my university room tour. Yes, I have the first episode on my channel, so I decided to make this because I made some changes in my room, and here we have it. The second episode. Guys, if you're coming across my video, my vlog for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and God bless. So guys, let's get started. Where do we start from? Let's start from the room. So guys, let's start from this. So this is my mirror. Then I have this other mirror too, or it's dressing table, because most of the things I have here are just my lady needs. So this is the drawer. I have a whole lot of things here: glasses, wristwatch, and combs, and the things that I need. I just store them in here. Then this other compartment, I use it majorly for, like, this is my prepared meter. What do they call that again? Oh, then I have some files. I have my school files and laptop charger, long notes, and all of that. So this is just what the space is doing. So that's it for here. So let's move over to the bed area. So the bed area. So I had these decors. I don't even know how it looks, but I just did them. So I have this portrait then of me. Then it was a gift someone gave me on my birthday. So I don't know, how do you say this? Hope it's nice. I got some of these, like I had this one there. I had it before, but these three I got it recently. So this is my bed. Unfortunately, I do not have uh, a bed. What am I saying? I I do not have a bed. I just keep my foam on the floor for now. So this is it. But somehow I actually prefer it like this. So that's it for the bed area. I have this my old table. I don't know, I have a new one, but it's serving me. Sometimes I actually prefer to sit there. So my curtain, and that's it. So that's how this place is. That's how it is. And I have this foot mat that I got. This is so nice. I think I got it for, was it, I can't remember the actual price. I can't remember. Let me not say something that I do not know. So guys, over to the wardrobe. So this is my wardrobe, and um I have some things on top, like I have my textbooks, and um let me get that stuff down so that you can see properly what's in there. So guys, this is what I have in here. It's just toiletries and laundry and lady stuffs. Yeah, so that's it for here. I store them on top of, that's my wardrobe, to save space. So let's move over to this segment. This is my most favorite segment in this my room. So I have my bags. If you remember in one of my videos, back to school shopping, you remember I got this bag there, and this one, yes, I got them. So this is my most favorite. And okay, that's my tote bag for school. I have my name there, Berry Grace. Yeah, so That's it for here. So I have my shoes. It's Hamilton season, so I had to cover some of them. Uh, so it's just my shoes, and yeah, I have my ironing. Oh, what did I say? Ironing. My iron. Ha, God. So that's it for hair. That's it. So I'll do it kind of 360. So guys, that's it. That's it. That's it. I have my lights here. Yeah, because I'm using it to shoot this vlog. So this is it. This is it. This is not 360, but let's just manage it. Yeah. So that's it, guys. For here, we'll go over to another segment. So guys, this is another favorite part of my house. I have a very spacious space. Like my room is very spacious. Very spacious. When I mean spacious, it is spacious. You get. So I have my table. I told you guys I have another table here. And that's, take a look at this beauty. Huh. I made these decorations. I don't know if it's nice, but I just made this decor. I don't know if it is nice, but I like, or rather, I love my room colorful. So I made this with vine leaves. I just made it by myself. I got these wall stickers. That's what I use. Like, take a look at. I don't know if you can see it there. Oh God. So that's it. Do you love my, what do I even call this now? Wallpaper or what? Do you love them? See this one, this one. So I think this is my favorite. Actually, I love it. This one is also nice. And there is this one too. Then the ones that are on that bed area. There is one in the kitchen too. I will show you guys. So this is my table. This is my table. What do I even have here? Okay, let's take a look at this. Take a look at this, just for biro, highlighter, and the rest of them. I have my reading lamp. This is for phone. Oh God. It's for my phone. Like, should I call it a phone holder? If you're watching movies, something like that. Then I have my laptop, have this mirror, fan. I got this flower from Ruban stores. I love it. I love it. I don't know. I just saw it. I bought it. I think it's 8,500 or thereabout. So have my water. This thing, this particular thing. Sometimes, if you find it difficult drinking water, I think you should just buy a bottle water or something. It will help you. I've been drinking a whole lot of water recently because of this. So this is it. That's it. So I got this. I got it when I was coming back this semester too. Then this fancy words, fancy cup. Then I have my notes. I have notebooks that are very nice, but I buy them in the market, not so expensive. I think this is just 1,500. You see, 1,500. Same with this too. Got it at a education line in main market, Onitsha. Then this is just a gift. So this is what I have here. Oh God. Hope you read your Bible. Do you? So I have my Bible here too. So that's it. Oh God. So this is a table now, and sometimes when you are reading you need snacks. So this is my cheese. I don't know, all of a sudden, after how many years I developed a love for cheese balls. So this is it, guys. I hope you love my reading table. I hope you love it. So here guys, I have my TV, my fan, just it for here. It's nothing serious, nothing serious. So I don't know how close it is to my bed. Well, this is it. Then this, yeah. So that's it for here. Hey guys, yeah, this is my kitchen. So I don't know where to start from, but I promise to give a good view of the kitchen. Okay, let's start from over here. So guys, this is what I have over here. I hope it gets the things that are there very well. So this is basically what I have over here. Yeah, so that's it for here. I have my provisions here. You can see for yourself the things that I have here. So this is basically what I have in this space. So that's it. Then over here too. So this is mostly food stuff, things that I eat and all of that. So I store them here. Then over here, nothing serious here though. Nothing serious. Then up, I have my noodles, rice, beans, groundnut oil, the rest of them. So that's it for this particular space. Then I made this because most of my things couldn't get in this other one. So here I have conflicts, medications, uh, flux, and my oil. This is easier for me though. I have this other bigger one up there. So I have my pastors and the rest of them. So this is just what I have in this particular space. I have Gary. So that's it guys, that's it. So over here guys, I just have my cooking spoons and my tabletop gas. Then I have this. Do you love this cup? Yeah, so this is what I have here. So I use this storage cart for my pots and kettles, and that's my cylinder there. I also have this trash can here. So basically this is what I have on this space. This is it on this side of the kitchen. I store my potato, plantain, yam, and onions, garlic, ginger over here. I got this in the market, so I just use this for storing this plantain and the rest of them. So that's it for here. It's under my kitchen sink. Here I have my plate rack. So this is my plates. I have nice plates, right? Yeah, so this is it here. This is my plates and yeah, my spoons and the rest of them. Then over here I also have these stoves there that are also kitchen necessities and the rest of them. So that's it for here. So let's go over to the fridge. I think my kitchen is not so spacious, but it's long but not so spacious. You understand what I mean? So that's it. We'll go over to the fridge. So this is the view. This is the view. So this is my fridge and this is my blender. This is my blender. So I got this blender early this year for I think 35,000. Yeah, so I keep them on top of this my fridge because there is no space. There is no other space to keep them. I just manage my space as much as I can to suit my things. So I just hope my kitchen is nice, right? Right? I just hope. So this just my kitchen. This is basically what I have over here. But I'll show you the fridge. What's inside? Guys, let's open the fridge. So this is what I have here. Basically things that I need. So that's it. I always make sure I have fresh tomatoes and peppers and also in the freezer. I have that's it. Just that's it for the fridge. These are necessities, right? These are just things that I need as a student. So that's it for my fridge. I got these stickers in the market. It's been here for a long time, like for how as long as I can remember. So that's it for my fridge. So guys, my bathroom. I got this what do I call this thing now? Storage. I got it recently, so basically skincare, and that's it for. I also have a drum, so that's it for my bedroom. Just made this simple decor. I also have this. Then I also have this. So guys, that's it. I've done that, right? And I hope it's interesting. I hope you love it. I hope you would subscribe to my channel, and I hope you would comment, leave a like, and also let's build a community here. I hope my vlog makes you happy. I hope you love it. If you don't love it, tell me. Oh, I just hope you do love it. So this is basically my life, and as a university student living in Nigeria, and my school, University of Nigeria and Soka. So that's it. Thank you guys, and I promise right now I'm going to do an overview, like just put everything together. Yeah. So thank you so much for sticking by. I seriously appreciate. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah. Thank you. Bye guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye.